In this video, I'll show you how to set up a customer portal in Stripe Billing. First, sign in to your Stripe dashboard and go to Billing. Then select Customer Portal. Click Configure or Create Configuration if you're setting it up for the first time. Next, choose the features you want to make available to your customers. You can allow them to update their payment methods, view invoices, download receipts, manage subscriptions, update billing information, and cancel subscriptions if appropriate for your business. After that, customize the portal settings by selecting your business branding, configuring the available options, and defining where customers will be redirected after they leave the portal. Review all of the settings carefully to make sure the experience matches your business requirements. Now, save your customer portal configuration and generate a customer portal session from your application or integration. Test the portal by opening it with a customer account and verifying that all enabled features work correctly, including payment method updates and subscription management. Finally, continue monitoring your customer portal and update its settings whenever your billing process changes. You can modify the available features, branding, and portal configuration at any time without affecting your existing customers. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to set up a customer portal in Stripe Billing. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe to Learn Mode Lab for more tutorials.